everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Bell car insurance account online quick and easy. If you're an existing customer for Bell Insurance, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the web address bar that pops up at the top, type in www.bell.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of Bell Insurance, which looks like this. Go to the top right hand corner from the main homepage and click on the existing customer link, which will take you to this page over here. Select the product that you'd like to manage from the options displayed. In my case, I'm going to choose the single car insurance option. Once you click on that, you should see more drop-down menu appearing on the display. Select an option that you'd like to start with. Let me choose the second option. Since I would like to manage my account, make a change or request a code to change your policy and much more. Once you click on one of these options over here, click on Update Policy Online button in order to end up in the login area for your Bell car insurance. Bell is a telematic only insurance provider that specializes in low-cost cover for young drivers. If you'd like to log in and get access to your car insurance account, then go ahead and enter your email address that is associated with your account right where it says email. While typing in your credential, always make sure to type it in correct if you'd like to sign in without any kind of a problem. In case you don't remember your email address, you can click on this Forgotten Your Email Address link beneath and follow the on-screen prompts to look for it. Similarly, go to the next field and type in your password. In case you forget your password, you can click on this link that says Forgotten Your Password, follow the on-screen prompts, and you'll be able to reset to a new password. If you'd like the system to remember your details, click this Remember My Detail box. But if you're using a public device or a shared computer, leave it unchecked before logging in. Finally, after you're done typing in your credential and you're ready to log into your car insurance account, click the login button in green. That is how you'll be able to get access to your Bell car insurance account if you'd like to manage your account online quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.